morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, April 13th, and I just wanted to take a quick minute to go over some things with you about hardening off your seedlings. So if this is your first time stopping here, my name is Leigh and this is our backyard garden. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Now it's garden season if that's what you're looking for. We have a ton of content coming up. Please hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and if you like this type of content, please give us some likes and spam us with some hearts and make some comments. We all have worked very, very hard to get our tomatoes and our peppers and things that are going to go in the ground within the next month all set and ready. So I have been hardening off everything inside of the Costco greenhouse, which has been working out really wonderfully. But by 8:30 this morning, it was already 110 degrees in there with the vents all fully open and the door wide open, so nothing will be going into the greenhouse today. And as a matter of fact, I have emptied everything out. Everything that I started that was doing well is now out of the greenhouse. So I've brought all of my little seedlings out here onto the patio where they can get mostly eastern sun. Now the morning sun is still very, very gentle, but our backyard is a microclimate, so it gets extraordinarily hot back here. So I will not be able to leave these seedlings out here for very long. As they've been out here for, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half, and they're already starting to show some signs of telling me that they've had enough. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, and I'm going to show you a product that I bought that's helping me out right now. It's another glamorous day. You gotta love it, you guys. So I found these skewers, right? I was looking in Lowe's and the dollar store for some, I never found my little bamboo sticks that I was telling you guys about that I was looking for last week. Never found them. So John went to Lowe's for me. He couldn't find any. So I said, all right, well, I'm in Wegmans. I'll see if they have any kind of skewers. So I found, and I said to him, I need at least 100 of 10 to 12 inch stakes. Don't you know? Ask and you shall receive. They were sitting right there in Wegmans waiting for me. They come in a nice pack. One end is staked, the other end is blunted, and they're working out perfectly as little stakes for my seedlings. And we'll take a walk over and I'll show you now. Oh, you guys, it's like we went right from winter. We had a small little hello spring, and now it's like, hey, summer is here. So you can see how these little stakes work perfectly in the Solo cups. Some of these cups are actually the Kirkland brand cups, but these little stakes are working out to be the perfect height, and they're keeping everything from wilting over. Now, right now, one of the other things that I have them hardening off for is a gentle breeze. You can see how they're shaking. This is going to help them to harden off. Even though they are really mostly hardened off from exposure and being in the greenhouse, now is where they're going to start to be tested from the elements. So they're going to need a little bit of help. Oh my goodness, are you guys having allergies where you are? It's like pollen city here in New Jersey. Oh my gosh. So I'm just taking these. I'm not going too close to the center root ball. I don't want to go ahead and pierce that because they're just starting to climb. Now, if it gets too windy, I can go ahead and tie them off because I also hoard anything that represents a small twisty that I can come out and tie off to this. So any little bit of help that they can get is a benefit. Now, this pepper here, even though the peppers like the heat, when they've had enough, they've had enough. They just start to fall over a little bit. Now, I'm going to give this guy one here. Let's see, what is this? This is one of my beloved shishito peppers, so of course I am going to cater to my peppers and make sure that they have all of the support they need. Yeah, I think my little tomato and pepper forest is looking pretty good. Everything is really, really healthy. I'm not having any issues, except yesterday I did see just a few fungus gnats, which I'm not surprised about. I've been having to give everything big drinks of water, and they were not outside for 2 days because it was too hot. Here's what my eggplants look like. This is Casper and Rosita eggplants. I'm pretty happy about that, and some more peppers. So this is the hardening off process, you guys. If this is your first time, this is basically how you do it. That little gentle breeze that you see happening is exactly what they need. If it's too windy, you don't want to leave them out. So yesterday I ran into Costco and Wegmans, and I didn't do my normal Costco haul because I did that earlier in the week, but I did buy some of the New Guinea impatiens that you can see right here. I mixed up the flats and I did red, burgundy, pink, and white. I was hoping for that beautiful tropical orange color, but everyone else liked them too, and they were all gone. So here are my lupins. I have some snapdragons that I potted up, and behind me I have some beautiful new tulip varieties opening. Again, these are the Costco tulips, and quite honestly, you guys, I think we're going to go ahead and re-highlight our last video that we did, and we called it Tulip Fever because I guess you guys aren't interested in it. Maybe we're the only people interested in it, but you know, we wanted to highlight that video, not just for the beauty of all of these tulips, but because we wanted you to know that this is what you can expect if you invest in the tulip bulbs from Costco. Look, I mean, come on, you guys, come on. You have to take a look and look at this. This is so beautiful. I could come out here and be polarized by this every minute of the day. I mean, they look like artificial flowers. This is one of the most incredible things. I'm telling you, I have no regrets investing in this. The only thing I really honestly regret is that I didn't buy more. They're holding on really well. Their colors are so vibrant. Oh, this is just so wonderful. What a gift to come out and see this when you're, you know, I'm already running in circles today. And then you have this going on, and it's a show. I mean, it's like a gift. What's so funny about these tulips is that I'd never imagined that the flower itself would continue to grow in actual size. I mean, this has gotten enormous. It's been out here for more than a week. You can see it's starting to pale a little bit, and they're getting, you know, they're starting to look a little spent. But over a week of this one giant flower continuing to change and open, oh my gosh, they're big. They remind me of like a hibiscus. This is just incredible. So now I'm letting all of this get a little bit of sun exposure. I'm going to put this back into the shade as well, because it's just too soon for them to have this kind of summer level heat and sun. So right now I just want them to get slowly exposed. Today is a really, really busy day. It is my chiropractic appointment, so I'm trying to get all of my food prepared. I'm trying to take care of the seedlings. I have the birds out behind me in the aviary. I'm trying to keep everything hydrated. All the while, I have not hydrated myself properly yet. So there is food to make, all kinds of stuff I have to be done. Oh, I don't know. I have 55 minutes to do 3 hours worth of work. So anyway, you guys, right now, 2 videos that we have coming up for you that we hope you'll look forward to is we got a big truckload of soil that came, and we want to talk to you about that. That's getting edited now, as well as an overview of all of our raised bed systems and how we decided to build them and what selections we made, as well as a few reviews. So look for those 2 videos coming up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Don't forget, when you're hardening off your tomatoes and your peppers, you don't want to leave them exposed for too long. You got to take them back in the house on a day like today. So anyway, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.